Congratulations! You're actually learning quite a lot. Although things might still seem a little intimidating, you now have a newfound power where you can create websites, you can put them online. Now, there's still lots to learn, but one of the neat things about knowing how much we know now is that you can leverage other people's templates. Now, what does that mean? It means that unlike the startup landing page that we just created, you don't have to create everything from scratch. As a matter of fact, if you Google free HTML5 templates or free HTML CSS templates, there's a ton of free resources online that you can use. Now, after this lesson, I'm going to link to some of my favorite free resources, but one of them is Mashup Template. Here, you can actually use a bunch of free templates for yourself. And if I, let's say, go to complex here, or no, let's do factory. I can actually download the files here as HTML. And check this out. If I now open this, I now have these files. And there's a lot of files that we still don't know. There's some JavaScript here that we haven't talked about yet. And we'll cover these in later lessons. But the thing here is that you know about HTML and CSS. So now, if you actually double click on this HTML, you have a website that you can use and customize to your liking. And this website is free for you to use. You can now change the background image, you can change what the button does, you can do different things, and you can customize it just like we have with the startup landing page, but to your own liking by just changing the HTML and CSS files, which we have right here. This is the power of the web. The web allows programmers to share pieces of code so that we don't have to constantly reinvent things from scratch. Just like Bootstrap allowed us to do things easily in terms of layout, templates allow us to create websites. Instead of from scratch, we get to start with a basic template. Now, I want you to try building your own startup landing page. Up until now, I've shown you step by step, but you have the power to create something custom to your liking. You can use something like mashup templates, or you can elaborate on the current startup page. You have the power to do it. And although it may seem a little bit hard right now, we're still starting off, it's good for you to get that practice of doing things on your own, experimenting on your own. And even if you fail, even if it takes you hours to just center a text or a button, it's going to be good practice in the long run. So give it a go, create your own custom startup landing page, and if you're done, go share it in our Discord server. I'll see you in the next one.